Hello. When we join the company, probably there will be a number of tools that are in place already, and you will have to get to know them. So, this video is just to let you know about the possible tools that you may find there and what each of them are and what are they used for. Let's start from project management. For project management, normally there is Jira, which is basically the tool where you store product side of things, and also it's possible to link it to code and QA tasks. For communication, there are a number of tools that can be used, but mainly Slack, Skype. Some people are also using Google. Database management systems, for example, databases SQL or NoSQL, there are a number of them. For test case management, there are plenty of tools that we can use. I can name a few of them, for example, TestRail, X-Ray. For CI/CD, continuous integration, continuous development, we can find also plenty of tools. For example, CircleCI, GitLab, Jenkins, Bamboo. For version control, you will mainly use Git. That is the most extended version control system. For manual testing, you will find a number of tools too, depending on what testing you want to do. If it is for API, you can see Postman, Insomnia, between others. For UI, you mainly will use, if it is web, you will use browsers like Chrome, Mozilla, Safari, etc. If it is for the UI of a mobile, then probably you will use simulators. If it is for performance, there is a tool integrated with the browsers that gives you an overview of the performance of the web. And for microservices, you will need to get to know how the communication flows between those microservices and the internal part of each of them, so that you will know how to interact with the system and being able to manual test it. As for automation frameworks, we can find plenty of frameworks already prepared for us to use in every language that we may want, and we can even create our own if we are brave enough. What happens with automation tools, like these automation frameworks that we were talking about? We should always automate all the test cases. Is that okay for everyone? Is it worth it? The answer to this is basically relative. Because an answer could be, if you are going to test the same thing a number of times, then if the cost of automating it is not so high, then it is worth to automate it and reduce the time of your testing in the long term. How to find the best automation tools? Well, the answer to this would be, do not focus on the language, focus on the best solution for your problem. I know that if you are developing long time with a language, you will be more comfortable with the language, but it doesn't make it the best for the problem that you have in front of you. Maybe there is some framework really prepared already for you to take it and start working on it, and it's in another language, but it's perfect for the problem that you have. It's a perfect solution. So you better consider it before trying to create a solution with your favorite language. as we are QAs and not developers, we should focus on solving the problem in the best possible way and most cost effective.